Is your 2020-2024 Cadillac XT6 key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video guides you through the simple DIY process of replacing the battery, saving you time and money. The XT6 key fob uses a standard CR2032 battery. For replacing your Cadillac XT6 key fob battery, you'll only need two simple tools: a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool. These can be found at most retailers or online for under $10 total. To open the key fob, first locate the small notch or seam on the back of the fob near the metal key blade. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this notch. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, plus side up. Use your fingernail or the screwdriver to gently pry the battery out of its holder. Be careful not to damage the surrounding electronic components. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Press down gently to secure the battery in place. A secure connection is crucial for proper fob function. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Press them together firmly until they snap back into place. Ensure there are no gaps or loose sections. A properly closed fob protects the battery and internal components. After reassembling the fob, test its functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. Verify that your Cadillac XT6 responds accordingly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure a secure connection. If issues persist, consider a dealer diagnostic check, as some issues can be software-related. Key fob batteries typically last 2 to 3 years under normal use. Extreme temperatures, especially cold weather, can significantly shorten battery life. If you encounter rapid battery drain, consider using a Duracell CR2032 battery for extended life. Remember to recycle your old battery properly at an electronics store to protect the environment. If the key fob continues to malfunction after battery replacement, it may indicate a more serious issue requiring professional attention from a dealer.